guys, it's your girl Brit Thompson from Cultures Uncovered, and this is my toiletry bag packing list. So I've taken this guy with me on day trips, weekend getaways, and long-term travel, and I'm somehow able to fit what I need in here. Let's get started. I like to keep my makeup in another little container. If I need to go somewhere and do it, I could just take this whole thing. This little guy is a hack and a lifesaver. So you know how sometimes you can go to Sephora and they'll give you testers and samples of things? You can make your own travel size makeup container. I know! You just clean out the container and then put whatever your foundation is. If you need like 2 or 3 days worth, you just do the little pump. Just take what you need and you don't have to take the whole container with you. Eyeliner, mascara, don't leave home without it. Eyebrow pencil to keep these things on fleek because you know they're wild, they are out of control, and I have to tame them. Get down there, you should be a little. Tweezers. If you're carrying on a bag, leave these at home. End of story. This is a sunscreen stick. It's not a liquid, so it just goes in with everything else. I like that. In line with my little Sephora container hack, I got these little guys. I just went to my local beauty supply store and this was like 99 cents. It's 1/8 of an ounce and it's perfect for what I need for like up to a week, even a week and a half. This is my facial cleanser. I usually do like 1 pump per wash, and so I just put in like 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever, how many days I'm going, pumps in here, and it fits. And it doesn't take up that much room in the rest of my bag. So this is a travel hack. I did the same thing with my moisturizer. I did 2 pumps per day, and that was about 14, and it fits with room to spare. Look at that, room to spare. This is like a proud moment for me. I can't forget my makeup removing wipes. These are a face saver, Dr. Bronner's Castile soap. So this is really great. You can use it as shampoo, you can use it as body wash, you can wash your dishes, you can wash your car. Maybe don't wash your car, because I don't want you out there washing your car and then coming back for me saying, I washed my car and the paint fell off. Well look, I mean, I didn't tell you to wash your car with Dr. Bronner's, I just said you could. But I don't know if you can. Read the bottle, you'll be fine. My lotion and my conditioner are both white and look the same. I have been known to put lotion in my hair and conditioner on my hands. I mean, it happens. So I like to label them. And then I have another deep conditioner. Speaking of my lovely protective style, when I don't have my hair in this, I use that stuff, but when I do and my edges need to be laid, I definitely bring my edge control and a brush comb duo. I usually bring these guys. I like to bring a shower cap and a bunch of clips, and I like to bring a razor with me. I also like to stay fresh with a little bit of deodorant. I just bring the full size. I need it. I also have feminine products in there to keep me fresh. I like to bring my little toothbrush with a cap, so it's safe when I just toss it in my bag and I don't have to worry about that. I do use travel size toothpaste. I try not to worry about it. If I'm gonna go to a place where I know if I need more toothpaste, I can buy it. I'll just buy it there. But normally, the travel size works. Floss and floss picks. If you wear contacts, which I sometimes do, definitely bring a contact case with travel size contact solution, or you can buy it once you get there. They're not gonna let a big contact solution go through if you're carrying a bag on. I know, it sucks. If you have liquids that you don't need very much of while you're traveling, here's a travel hack. Just put it in your contact container. There's actually a decent amount of room in there. Okay, so you can just squeeze what you need. I don't know if you have like zip cream or like special face stuff. I don't know. I'm not saying you have zips. I'm not saying you have cream, but this is a good alternative if you only need a little bit of something. And sometimes I let one of these guys slide in. If you go to a fancy hotel and they provide you with fancy lotion, hey, they're just asking for it. Just kidding. And last but not least, I always like to carry something for my lips, a little bit of lip balm or chapstick and some gloss or tint to help me look cute. If you have anything you would add to it, anything you feel like I'm missing, feel free to leave me a comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos from moi, and check out my other packing guides and travel videos right here. I'll see you out there.